Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So you're going to plait your hair how you want it, nice and clean, and make sure that it's not too tight. So I did some of it and then I come and show you the method that I've used, because I've tried different method that I see on YouTube and it wasn't working out. So I'm going to show you my method, right? So you're going to push the crochet needle through. It comes with a loop. So you're going to put the loop in, close the crochet needle, draw it through. You can either draw through both of them, the plait and the lock, or the plait only or the lock only. I draw the plait only. After I draw the plait through, I unravel the hair and wrap it around the plait until it's close to the end. I unravel and push it in or tuck it in the hair and roll it back with my fingers. A very easy method to get it done. So yes guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to show you once more. Yes, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe and watch the ads. I'm out. So guys, I'm finished. I'm just adding mousse for shine. Yes guys, and do our edges, of course. Remember to like the video, guys, and share it with a friend, because you know, yeah, I know you know, I know you know. Leave a comment and tell me what you think if you're going to try it, and I'm out. Bye.